Where is your
Mama?
ears? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose? Mouth. Mouth. Where's your tongue? Where's your teeth? Where's your head? Head. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your hair? Hair. Where's your neck? Neck. Very good. Where's your underarm? Underarm. Where's your hands? Hands daw, hands. Hands. Where's your hands? Where's your feet? Feet. Feet daw, feet. Where's your elbow? Elbow. Very good. Where's your cheek? Cheek. Where's your chin? Chin. Very good. Where's your eyebrow?
Oh no, where's it?
Where is it? Hulog. Eyebrow. Where's your eyebrow daw? Eyebrow. Eyebrow. Tummy. Where's your tummy? Tummy. Eyebrow. Very good.
Where's it?
Smile mo. Nang smile. See? Nasaan ang iyong mata? Mata. Nasaan ang iyong ilong? Ilong. Nasaan ang iyong tenga? Nasaan ang iyong bibig? Nasaan ang iyong dila? Nasaan ang iyong ngipin? Buhok. Leeg. Ay, very good. Kilikili. Oy, kilikili. Ayun. Nasaan ang iyong ulo? Ulo. Nasaan ang iyong kilay? Kilay. Kilay. Where's your kilay? Kilay. Galing-galing na. Eyes. Where's your kamay? Nasaan ang kamay? Nasaan ang kamay? Nasaan ang paa? Paa daw. Where's paa? Paa. Very good naman. Nasaan ang tiyan? Tiyan daw, tiyan. Where's the tiyan? Tummy. Tiyan. 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 Very good
Yun.
Pisngi. Saan daw pisngi? Where's the pisngi? Pisngi. Baba.
Papa.
Baba. Where's baba? Baba. This one is baba, anak ko.
Where
Baba. Baba.